Hey everyone, welcome back to my test exam prep. In today's video, we are going through 20 realistic Nevada Food and Card Exam 2026 practice questions designed to test your food safety knowledge and help you feel more confident before the real exam. Let's get started. Alright, let's begin with question number 1. A food employee prepares raw chicken and then immediately slices bread for sandwiches without washing hands. What is the greatest food safety risk? I repeat, a food employee prepares raw chicken and then immediately slices bread for sandwiches without washing hands. What is the greatest food safety risk? Options are the correct answer is option A, cross-contamination from raw poultry bacteria. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Why should food handlers avoid touching ready-to-eat food with bare hands? Options are the correct answer is option B. Bare hand contact may spread harmful pathogens. Alright, here comes another important question. Question number 3. A restaurant employee notices cooked meat stored below raw seafood in a cooler. What is the main concern? Options are the correct answer is option C. Cross-contamination from raw seafood dripping onto cooked meat. Question number 4. Which action best helps prevent food contamination during cleaning operations? Options are the correct answer is option A. Storing chemicals away from food preparation areas. Let's continue with question number 5. A food worker experiences vomiting before starting work. What is the safest action? Options are the correct answer is option C. Avoid food handling duties and report the illness. If these questions are helping you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my test exam prep and share it with others preparing for the exam. Alright students, let's jump into the next question. Question number 6. Why is proper cooling of cooked food important? Options are the right answer is option A. Rapid cooling helps reduce bacterial growth. Question number 7. A food handler uses the same knife for raw beef and fresh vegetables without sanitizing it. What hazard is created? Options are the right answer is option B. Cross-contamination between raw and ready-to-eat foods. Question number 8. Why should food thermometers be cleaned and sanitized between uses? I repeat, why should food thermometers be cleaned and sanitized between uses? Options are option A, option B, option C, and option D. The right answer is option D. Dirty thermometers may spread bacteria between foods. Question number 9. A restaurant employee leaves cooked rice at room temperature for several hours. What is the safest action? Here is your options. The correct answer is option B. Question number 10. Why is FIFO, first in first out, important in food storage systems? Here is your options. Option A, option B, option C, and option D. The right answer is option C. FIFO helps ensure older products are used first. Question number 11. A food employee wipes a food preparation counter with a dirty cloth that was left on a table for several hours. What is the primary concern? Here is your options. The right answer is option A. The cloth may spread harmful bacteria onto the surface. Question number 12. Why should frozen food be thawed safely before preparation? Here is your options. The correct answer is option A. Question number 13. A food worker stores raw eggs above uncovered salad containers in a refrigerator. What hazard exists? Here is your options. The right answer is option C. Raw egg contamination may drip onto ready to eat food. Question number 14. Why should hand washing occur after handling garbage? Here is your options. The right answer is option A. Question number 15. A restaurant employee notices soiling a canned food containers during storage. What should be done? Here is your options. Option A, option B, option C, and option D. The correct answer is option D. Discard the cans because soiling may indicate dangerous contamination. Question number 16. Why should food handlers avoid preparing food while wearing jewelry? I repeat, why should food handlers avoid preparing food while wearing jewelry? The correct answer is option A. Question number 17. A worker prepares allergen-free food on a surface previously used for peanuts without sanitizing it. What is the main danger? Options are the correct answer is option B. Cross contact that may trigger severe allergic reactions. Question number 18. Why should hot foods be kept at safe holding temperatures after cooking? I repeat, why should hot foods be kept at safe holding temperatures after cooking? Options are the right answer is option A. Safe temperature slow bacterial multiplication. Question number 19. A food employee touches money and then begins assembling customer meals without changing gloves. What is the greatest concern? Here is your options. The correct answer is option A. Currency contamination may transfer harmful microorganisms to food. Here is your last question. Question number 20. Why is food safety training important for all restaurant employees? Options are the correct answer is option C. Proper training helps workers prevent contamination and illness.